Hey, wait a second, where's Finn? Oh, I don't know, but I'm here now. Dooby dooby doo, boop boop. You're already here, you don't have to do the singing. Oh, yeah, but I do want to. Okay, well, it's kind of weird. Hey, do you have a joke? No, do you? Maybe. Do you want to say it? No, why don't you tell yours first? I just said I didn't have one. Yeah, you do. I know you do. Okay, fine, you caught me. What kind of birds stick to everything? I don't know. Velcros. Crows are the birds. Velcro is a bunch of little tiny hooks. Did you know that? Ah! Oh, sorry. Yeah, that was probably a little triggering. Um, let's just, make the most of this. There's a merch store. There's no hooks there. Ah! Okay, I won't say that word anymore. You can like and subscribe. Definitely no bent pieces of metal there. Okay, that one's okay. You doing okay, buddy? Yeah, I'm okay. Phew, alright. Well, tomorrow we'll be back with less trauma. Did you say drama? Oh, we'll always have that.